Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Here we are going to see acquisition process. This is also known as purchasing process or sourcing process, and what are the steps involved in end-to-end procurement of any product or services. The series of activity involved in obtaining necessary inputs for an organization. Input could be product or services. The key steps in the acquisition process are: number 1, determination of a need. Number 2, communication of the need with the vendor. Third one is identification of potential sources. Fourth one is solicitation and evaluation of bids and proposal, maybe quotes also included. Preparation of the purchase order once the vendor is finalized. Sixth one is follow-up and expediting. Seventh is receipt and inspection. Eighth one, clearing the invoice and payment. Ninth one is a maintenance of record. Maybe different organization may use different steps, either jointly or with the elaborate process. It all depends upon the kind of spend and kind of product and kind of security expected from this contract. Accordingly, this is only a guidance for the people who are getting trained in procurement or sourcing, so that they can follow these steps. Finally, this is going to get a better product at a better price if everyone in the function follows these steps honestly. Thanks for watching. Bye.